welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to be making chicken fricassee, and it's going to be my own way of doing chicken fricassee because I put potatoes and I also put carrots. I put carrots in my chicken fricassee. I've seen other people do it like that too, but I mean, I've done it because one day I didn't have enough potatoes, so I'm gonna put carrots, and it gives it a really delicious taste with the carrots. And I also put potato. Okay, so let me start. Showing you here what I got. Here. Okay, so I put some vegetable oil here in this pan. Vegetable oil, and I also have these humongous chicken thighs. They are huge. There's one here and there's two in here, but they are really big. I'm gonna cook them with a vegetable oil, a complete seasoning, sazón completo, garlic powder, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Okay, so let's start. Let me just wash the chicken and let me get you over here so you can see what I do. Let me put the vegetable to the side right now. These are, they're really big. I'm gonna cook them with the skin on. Here's the other one. So there's three really big chicken thighs. Also going to put an onion in there. I'm going to cut it off and put the onion. I'm just going to slice them. It's one medium onion, and I'm just going to slice it. I like to taste the little pieces of onion in the food. As I go along putting the ingredients in there, I'll tell you what I'm putting. I'm also going to put some wine. Let's put the complete seasoning. Sprinkle some of that complete seasoning in here. Garlic powder. Cumin. Paprika. Let me cook it for a few minutes on that side so it'll brown, which really doesn't matter, but we just can. Okay, so let me put again the ingredients on this side as well. Garlic powder, cumin, and paprika. Pepper. I forgot to put pepper. And the salt. Okay, I usually put 2 of these. Let me lower it a little bit. I usually put 2 of these, but I only had 1, so I'm just gonna improvise here. Put this one. Get a little bit of the wine. This is the wine I'm using. I have like 1/4 of a bottle only. So I used it for another recipe and I had that left over. Okay. Let me turn them over. Okay, so I'm going to put some ketchup because I don't have another can of the tomato sauce. So just some ketchup will do. And what else? What else am I missing? Okay, let's put the rest of the wine. It's white wine. Pinot Grigio. All right. Put the heat a little bit higher and let that cook there. I'm gonna put also some dry wine. Dry wine. Yeah, let me lower it again. It's too high. Okay, I thought I had the regular dry wine and I don't have it, but I'm gonna use this red cooking wine. Okay, good drizzle there. Let it cook there. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it for a little bit while I cut the vegetables. Okay, cover it, and it's in medium high. No, I'm sorry, it's in medium. Okay, the chicken has been cooking for like 10 minutes. So let me just turn it over again. And it's been cooking like for about 10 minutes in medium heat. Now I sliced the carrots. Okay, I'm gonna add them now here. I'm gonna add the carrots. Add it there. Cover it back up. Okay, so far it's been cooking for 15 minutes. Whoa, piece of potato on my hand there. Let's turn the chicken again, and the carrots will go to the bottom. So the carrots have been cooking for 5 minutes. In total with the chicken, it's been 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna cut the potatoes and introduce them. As a matter of fact, I peeled the carrots and I also peeled the potatoes. Alright, cover it back up. And now I'm gonna make white rice. Okay, so what I'm gonna be making is the jasmine rice. I'm gonna make it white jasmine rice. I put 2 cups. Vegetable oil, a little bit to cook the rice, and a little bit of salt. Okay, so let's move these things around. I think this should be about done. It's been cooking for about 35 minutes. The chicken should be done. We'll try it. I put the potato last because the potato are the ones that take the least time to cook. Okay, let me see if the chicken is ready because I need to take it off the bone. We don't like bones in our chicken. Let's see. And take the skin off as well. No, it's still not ready. See, it's still a little bit bloody. It's still a little bit bloody. So, back in there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little more wine. This one that I have. Just so it doesn't dry too much. And leave it there for a little bit longer. Okay, I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of sugar. That's to kill off some of that bitter from the tomato. Okay, that's just a little bit. Let me move it around. And turn it. Looks very pretty. If you have peppers, green peppers, red pepper, orange, whichever pepper you have, if you have, also add them. It'll give it a really good taste. I ran out yesterday and I didn't have any. But if you have, go ahead and add it. It gives it a delicious taste. So now let's just wait till it's done and let the chicken cool off, and we'll do that. Okay, it's been cooking for 35 minutes from when I started putting in the chicken until now. 35 minutes. So now let's see how the chicken is, if it's cooked already complete. It should be. Yeah, it's pretty tender. Let me take them out. I'm gonna turn off the stove, take the chicken out because I need for it to cool off some, because I need to shred them. Okay, so just wait a little bit here. The veggies are already done, and if they're not, they should be about done. Cover it up. The rice is about done also, and let's just wait for the chicken. Okay, so let's look at this chicken now. Let's see how cool it is that I can maneuver it. Let's see. So perfect. It's good. It's good and cooled off. Take this off. Beautiful. It looks really juicy too. Okay, this is a piece of, my hand for washing.